Statistics on DUIs and DWIs, the human cost of drunk and impaired driving, Part 3. Injury and damage to property. A drunk driving event does not always result in death. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, incidents involving drunk drivers result in about 800 injuries daily. That works out to 300,000 people annually, or 1 every 2 minutes. This number covers a wide range of injuries, from simple scrapes and scratches to crippling ones including brain injury, limb loss, facial deformity, and paralysis. Many individuals who are lucky enough to avoid dying in an alcohol-related collision go on to live with physical and/or mental impairments. Even accidents caused by drunk driving in which no one was hurt can have a lasting impact on a person's life. People who were engaged in the collision may experience mental health issues like anxiety and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, which have an adverse effect on their happiness and prevent them from fully experiencing life. You'll probably have to deal with the following if you were the motorist who caused the crash that was caused by alcohol: settling court fees, fines, and victim damages, loss of your driving privileges, further sanctions, such as jail time. You could face financial hardship for the rest of your life if your careless conduct resulted in someone being hurt or property being damaged. You can lose your job if you don't have a license. You can even discover that your college applications are turned down or that you are expelled from school. Even if no one is hurt or killed, that one careless choice to get behind the wheel after drinking might easily wreck the rest of your life. The financial impact of drunk driving. Drunk driving is a costly issue. Mothers Against Drunk Driving, MADD, estimates that drunk driving costs the U.S. economy $199 billion annually. This calculated economic cost consists of medical expenses, damage to property, immediate access to medical care, law-related costs, productivity decline, costs of congestion, administration of insurance. These are observable and concrete expenses associated with drunk driving. While $200 billion may seem like a significant sum of money, it is insufficient to capture the entire losses to our nation's quality of life and happiness that arise from drunk driving. The annual economic cost of drunk driving exceeds $800 billion when the societal toll of mental damage, severe injury, and fatalities is considered.